So today we're gonna share about how do you want to top up your Facebook ads billing. So this is the step by step for you. Uh, how do you want to top up your um, ads budget for your for your ad account, right? Okay, so first thing first, you go to your ads manager. Okay, so this is the ads manager, and then the first thing you need to do is before you want to create your first ads, you need to create your billing account that Facebook for Facebook to deduct your daily budgets. So let's say your budget is 10 ringgit or 15 ringgit per day. So the Facebook will deduct your account from your debit or from the top up account. Okay, so there's got a lot of way. How do you want to top up your credit? Number one is you can use the perbankan internet, which is the top up. And then number two is you can use your debit card or credit card. And then number three is you can do GrabPay. You can top up using GrabPay. And then number four, you can use also PayPal also can, and got many more lah. Okay, so but the familiar for to pay the ads budget is to top up the credit is like a perbankan internet top up and uh, for the credit, for the debit and credit card. Okay, so there's got a pro and con for perbankan internet or top up, which is when your ads when your credit is finished, your ads will automatically stop, which is if your ads on top of performance, so uh, your ads will be stopped immediately. Then you need to top up first after if you want your campaign or your ads to active again. So you are losing at that time you're losing your performance momentum. So your ads will be running again, and that will be uh, not what we call that that will be not perform like previous lah. Okay, so if you're using but the pro for you to using the top up is you can you can control your budget. So first you can control your budget lah. So let's say your budget is for month for per month is 1000 1000 ringgit. So then you need to you can put top up for 1000 ringgit. So that means the budget will fix to 1000 ringgit per month for Facebook ads. So that's no more than that lah. Okay, so for another one is like Facebook debit or credit card. So debit and credit card is the pro is the pro is you don't have to top up every day, or you don't need to check your balance every day, because the payment is deduct automatically from your account. And then from the for the cons for the debit and credit card is something like if you let's say you forgot how let's say you forgot to pause to pause your ads, your campaign, the ads will be running every day, running every day and every day. So that means the amount you'll spend every day, so every day the Facebook will deduct. And so maybe if you got a lot of notification, so the notification maybe uh, you you gonna missing the notification, because something like uh, the payment only deduct for I mean 2 to 3 days every day lah. Okay, so that means the cons for the debit and credit card is you have to set the option is you have to set the time, the deadline. I mean, let's say like you want to run like 1st of August until 30th of August, so you can set the date. So that means the budget will go will spend within the date, within the budget, within the month. Okay, so okay, let's I show you how you want to top up your ads credit. Okay, so first of all, you need to create you need to go to your ads manager. Okay, and then you click to your all tools. Okay, this is called all tools. We call it if the IT call it burger button. Okay, so all tools. All right, so and then go to billing. Okay, so when you go to billing, you click to the billing, and then it will bring you to this page lah. Okay, so you can see the available balance for this account is 2 ringgit 33 cents, which is you need to top up lah. Okay, so let's say if your ads is, let's say 10 ringgit per day, so you need to top up at least 2 or 3 days for ads trading. Okay, so never mind, I will show you how to top up, and then you can try, and then you can apply to your ads, your Facebook ads trading. Okay. Okay, so for today I'm gonna show how you want to top up your ads credit using the perbankan internet, or we call it top up. Okay, so first thing first, you click to this page. You go to this page, which is billing page, and then click to the ads fund. Okay, so after you go you click to the this add fund button. Okay, you can decide how much budget or credit you want to put inside your ad account, or inside your Facebook credit for your ads. So let's say you want to run like 7 days for the budget of daily 10 ringgit, so you need to put 70 ringgit lah. Okay, so if you want to run only for 2 or 3 days, let's say 10 ringgit per day, so you need to just top up 30 ringgit only. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to top up the 10 ringgit only. Okay, so you put 10 ringgit. Okay, and then after the green tick, and then you can choose perbankan internet for the top up, and then you take add fund. Okay, so after you take add fund, okay, and the next page will appear the online banking, the bank that which one you want to use for you to top up the credit. Okay, let's say I'm using Maybank, so I will take Maybank. Let's say I'm using CIMB, I will take CIMB lah. Okay, so after you take, the next page will bring you to the online banking, and then you need to put I mean, you have to get the TAC or PAC, and then after that they will appear, the amount will appear here, the available balance. After 1 or 2 minutes, you success top up the credit. Okay, so I show you how. Okay, let's say I'm using CIMB, so I tick CIMB, so this is perbankan internet, and then you tick continue. Alright, so the next page will be redirect to the online banking page that you need to ni lah. Okay, so I will skip this part and continue after this. Okay, so you done your top up, and then you will be redirect to this page that appear your payment is processing. Once your payment is processed, the fund will be added to your prepaid balance. Okay, so and then you tick done. Okay, so the amount, okay, then you can refresh. See, you can refresh this page, and then maybe got few bank provider that maybe may take a few minutes for the credit to go in. I mean, maybe like 5 to 10 minutes normally lah. Okay, but you normally if using like CIMB or Maybank, maybe 1 or 2 minutes already the credit will be in already. Okay, so the top up already here. So we done the top up for 1st August 2021, the 10 ringgit amount for the manual payment funded. Okay, so now you can continue run your ads and optimize your ads for the for the for the great result lah. Okay, so if you want to top up, you can follow this video from step to step how you want to create your how you want to top up your credit using Perbankan Internet for the Malaysia market. And after this, for the next video, I will share how to add your payment method using credit or debit card. Okay, so subscribe to our channel and be royals, and you can see a lot of video here. You can learn a lot of things for the tips and tricks on the paid ads. Okay, so see you on the next video. Bye bye.